We'll get started here in 1 minute. Its 4-hour time frame almost got up to where we were talking about yesterday. Got up to the previous highs. Still got a little ways more to go. Alright, my Replicando did. Oh, yeah, it is. Here it is. So the market shift just shifted down. Looks like there's a possible inside swing. I don't know that this turns into a breakout. Looks like we got some news this morning coming out, guys. Jolt's job openings come out at 8 o'clock my time this morning in factory orders month over month. And then at 4:45 p.m. this afternoon, we got employment change for the NASDAQ. Oh, excuse me, New Zealand dollar. NASDAQ. Oh, Lord. And then you got unemployment rate coming out for the New Zealand dollar as well. Look at that, right to my target. We may be launching, guys. Unless this goes into a C phase for a short. I think we're bullish today. We'll just have to see how this pans out, guys. Delta's only 1300, so it's not like it's really super big green, but it's still green. Miss Ann, where's Pac at? I guess I can look. $28,945. We're above yesterday's high, we're above the overnight low, and yesterday's low. So everything's all up here is fresh, it's all new. We're coming into this morning's overnight high. We'll see if this thing shifts up. $28,900 is the gap from yesterday's close, right? So if we look at here, oh, I guess it's a little lower, 28,965. Today may be one of those days where it seems like it's really overbought and the market just explodes up higher. Is this buy signal good, guys? That's the question. So the next full swing that we have would be off of this high and this low. This high right here and this low. We can see the market go straight up and sweep the high here. So right now, this is an A. That was a B. Go back into C. We swung down to D on the micro side. Overall, this could be your A. This could be your B. This is a pullback in order to break out to go to here. So this is that move, right? Or is this just enough for it to go? And we don't get this extra leg down. You'll know if this starts breaking this level. We take out A, then we probably retest A and we continue up. We're up into the 5-minute shift here, which is pretty hot. $15-minute shift is sitting at 103, so we need to stay above 103. We'll mark up 103. We need to stay above 103. Yeah, we're getting a small bid here, guys. We inverted that fair value gap to the sell side so far. The one I have marked up is the fair value gap long or fair value area on a 5-minute time frame. What are we gonna get, guys? What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? We're gonna get a breakout. We hit the inside swing label here for a C. Are we just gonna sweep the high and then sell off and come and get some buyers? Do we got enough buyers to pump out of here for a breakout? We're sitting about 15 minutes here. Got to do 15-minute time frame right now. Getting ready to open. That bar looks bullish to me on the 15. There's no wick to the downside, so you know there's going to be a wick put in. But it's really bullish looking. We got news coming out at 8 o'clock. Do they flush this down to go find buyers for that news and then drive price higher? Or do they use that news to drive us lower? The tech stocks look like they're going to be long here this morning at the open, so this is your overall move up here. Okay, do we just go get it? That's the question. ES is only like 40 or 50 points from all-time highs. And it's breaking out right now with a buy signal here. Good morning, guys. Good morning, An, Ann, Charlotte, Daniel, Eric, London, Sean. Good morning, Miguel, Pam, Q. Guys, hey, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Morning, Dan.
Hope everybody had a good night. Q, welcome back.
Hello, hello.
What accounts you setting in today?
Oh, I'm still waiting.
Yeah.
More weeks.
Blue sky is starting to come up, man.
Oh, they made some changes?
Yeah, they made a lot of changes. I like their 200K static account they have. They have a $2,000 drawdown.
Some, like 2 or 3 months ago.
What's that?
Yeah, there were some different changes a couple of months ago. I thought maybe you mentioned. I thought maybe there was something brand new.
Yeah, I like their 200 static account because any money you make, you get to stack on top of that 2,000.
Yep.
Wow. Wow. Straight up to my target. Come on, man. Before the open. Oh, wow. Market's like, what, 8 minutes from the open? And they just pumped it up out of here. There goes our D phase, guys. And they're gonna retest this. Man, I was wanting to entertain the long, but I was like, okay, what are we gonna do in this phase? Are we gonna pull back and hit a C and rip, or are we gonna just get here and come back below? Let's see what it does here. Here we go, guys. Again, a pullback into another C phase. A retest of the break of the high. 1890. 1,890 contracts in this market right now on the long side. I wonder what that pump was, unless it was to get buyers in, grab sellers, and sell the market off at the open. So we have this low and this high now. I think this was a sweep, but let's just see if they sweep the lows here, guys. Whoa, good morning, good morning. Nice little pop there. You took the long there off the buy. Nice. Pull back, gave you 3 buys. I wouldn't took this one. It's buying off the high. We need to pull back and get that buy signal to go. So on the 5-minute time frame, we do got a little bit of red inside the zone 2 and zone 1 on the 5, right? And on the 15, got a little bit of red up here in the high on the number 2, but none on 1 and 0. So we'll see what they do here. Alright guys, here we go. We got 28 minutes after the hour. We got a shift up here on the market shift. Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Let's see if we can make this money this morning and get out of this market. We're gonna get bid here at the open. I don't know. Let's see. The Boss Pro here says short. I'm not doing that yet. You got to make a decision. Are you a bullish or bear? I'm gonna tap this in and see if we can get up here and get out of here.
Order submitted.
Go with it. Sweep the high.
Order filled.
Alright, there's one. Stops in profit, guys. Can we pump it straight up into these boxes? Can we do it? Can we do it? Come on, baby. We're coming up into 4-hour resistance. Come on. Pump, pump, pump it up. A little higher. Anybody take this trade with me, guys? There it is. Boom! Let's go, guys. Did anybody take that trade with me? Anybody take that?
Yeah.
Sweet. Coming up into a 4-hour resistance here. Right here. Coming into this 4-hour resistance. Are they gonna short squeeze these guys for a rejection and push through? They've been doing it the other way, right? They've been short squeezing all the long guys. They've been squeezing all the guys that have been getting in long. Are they going to actually flip this right here? We'll just have to see. But that was these are our targets this morning. This is all I had lined out. That was a good trade. It may continue higher. Top of the gray box. We're not buying up here, guys. You can't buy up here. You need to pull back. We need something. Or at least I do, anyway. You can trade that however you want. But we got in on that buy signal there. Both the TD Pro came in. Nice pump here. TD Pro came in and the trend bar gave you a buy signal. When this pushed back, I entered the trade. And then we got that move up. That was sweet. This gave us a buy on this candle here. So your entry would have been around 930. This one gave you a signal at the same thing at 930. Wow, and that would have been daily target right there. They did sweep this as the top of the 4-hour. That is the top of the 4-hour. They did sweep the 4-hour high. Man, oh man, it's still pumping, guys. That was a hell of a trade. We just got 1,000 contracts in this candle. Oh my gosh, it's not done. There's not much I can do here, guys. 1,383 contracts in this last 5-minute bar that closed right here at 80, about 83. So it closed right here. That's 1,383 contracts on the long side there. The question is, you know, it's too strong. The market is, the momentum in the bullish move is too strong to try and sell it. We're too high to buy it, too high to sell it with the momentum so strong. It's got to come down and create a low and pull back, create a lower high, and then give us that break, right? I don't know that we get that. Or if you're a bull still, right, you're looking for that pullback between this low and that high, and then you get the long. As you see, we're not coming down really aggressive. We're just barely coming down. We're not coming down aggressively. So this has still got more move to the upside. If you trade, maybe trade one contract. Let's see if they can get it. I just need to get to my target here. Looking to see if it's going to give us one more run, and it's not. All right, so this is going to be our inside swing, it looks like. Right here, this is an inside move. All right. Make up your mind if you want to stay in this trade or not. So what I'm looking at is maybe this is an inside swing where they just popped it here. They're going to come down a little more. And then they run it. Or they just take off to the downside. We're coming back below that white line. This was 1,383 buyers. That could be the push that they needed to sell off, right? But they're not coming down heavy. If we can get back above that and catch a bid, it'd be nice. We've got 114 contracts in there now. That's why I went light, guys, because I'm buying up by the high. Here we go. All right, that just swept the high. Can we get a breakout on that? Can you give me a breakout, please? 1383, 121, 170, 180. We're not breaking yet. Stack buyers. ES up there at 67 or 7672. Can we get it, guys? Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it, please? Can we get it? 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 Give me that turkey right here. Catch a bid. 268, 264. Give me a... Come on, 270. 256. Come on. Come on. 17, 16, 15. Give me the 200, baby. I need to get to $200. Almost there. There's a buy signal that's buying the high, guys. You don't buy on that signal. You buy the pullback. Here it goes. See, can we get a bid? 430. We're doubled it up. We doubled it up. Should get a turkey. Come on, hit my target. I'm going to bring my stop up, guys. Locking off more here. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Hit the target. That's our squeeze right there. Come on. Boom! There it is, guys. 234 across 28 accounts. I am the man.
You have how many now?
28. I've just been buying accounts with everybody now. I'm just in and out of them, in and out of them, in and out of them. I'm going to get approaching that $1 million funding. I guess if you did buy that buy signal there on the pullback here, you got in. You got a little money out of it, but we bought this one down here. I bought this one here. I should code it where it buys here instead of here. Oh, this is a break, so it's gonna buy it. But these down here were beautiful. Look at this buy right here. This buy here got you a pullback with sweep of the low. These two buys work. Good morning, Mr. Miguel. Good morning, good morning. I think the SPY just broke all-time highs, if I'm not mistaken. I am not shorting the lows. No, not at all. I mean, I'm not shorting this bullish market. There's just... I mean, that's ludicrous. I don't care if you keep trying to pick the top and you're going to keep getting run over. That's how the market goes higher, right? People try to say, oh, it's going to short here. Well, you need orders to go higher. So what does that mean? If they short it, they have buy stops that are long orders. So they hit them and that's what creates those turkeys that we talk about all the time. And then eventually you're buying a high. Eventually they run you out. So... it's like a love-hate relationship. You either love it or hate it. You're either a bull or a bear. I would really like to make a little bit more money today, but I don't want to be greedy, and I definitely don't want to be buying the highs because that's going to screw things up. I had to sign a contract in order to trade the account, and I was $50,000 higher.
Oh wow.
Am I lying, Ann? You're on mute.
Yeah, nope. That's how it happened.
I was just like, this is a 100K account. How come I can't trade it? And I logged in. It was a 50K account. I passed it a long time ago, and I never signed a contract. Oh my God. I was just like, dude, I got too many accounts going on. I'm like, I feel so stupid. And if I would have known at $50,000, I was just like, what the hell did I do there? Oh man.
Yeah, so you need to get your profit off of that.
I what?
You need to pull your profit off of that.
Yeah, right? Had I signed a contract, it would have been great. Here we go again, guys, with another break. They're going to keep pumping this up. They might want to get into this 500, 520 and then start to pick up that seller base. I can't buy this up here. So I just can't do it, guys. I just can't do it. This is a sweep of a high, so if you're going to short, I will give you a little bit of advice. If you short this market, you only want to short when you sweep the current high or the current base of candles. Okay? So when this pushes up, you want to short it. Right? That's the idea. If you think this is going to go back down. That's the best way to do it. You don't want to do it when you automatically get down in here. Because then you're shorting in the buy zone. This is still going to go up higher, I think. One contract. Boom! There it goes. Man, I told you. Yeah, one contract. I was going to... Yeah, I just... 600 buyers. There they go. There's that 500 I just said. They might go to 517. Right? 500 to 517. A lot of strength and momentum to the upside. Guys, we are 4,800 contracts hard. We're getting a little bit more buyers here. We're coming into that news. Remember, we got some news at 8 o'clock my time. You got Jolt's job openings coming out at 8 o'clock my time. Is that going to be the catalyst and the numbers we need to push the market back to the downside? It's possible, but you know what? I don't care. Those of you that know me, if I'm making $240 or $250 a day in all these accounts, And I did not trade the TOF. I've only traded the other 3 sets of accounts. If I'm making $230 or $240 per account, and I'm logged into, I don't even know, let me count them. That's the funny part, is I don't pay attention to the P&Ls. I got one at 164. What happened there? I must have got slid, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 accounts. That's pretty good, right? Average is 240 times 23. That's $5,500 today. When you look at it from that perspective, I don't need to trade. All these guys want to make $5,000 in an account. I made $5,000 overall, right? And if I continue to do that day in and day out, I am growing these steadily at $200, $300 a day. ES almost we're almost to all-time highs on ES, guys. I think it's going for it. What is it? 93, 77693 or 7793? Hold on, let me look. Woo, they are pumping this thing up like no tomorrow. Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stomping. What is the all-time high? Can anybody tell me what is the all-time high of ES? I don't have enough data loaded. I guess you could ask Google. Wow, ES is just pumping. Guys, I told you this morning ES looked like the really good buy way early, pre-market. You got a long getting ready to pop here again on NASDAQ. It's getting ready to fire up. Let's see if these buyers hold it. Suck these sellers in and then take their stops out. Let's see what they do. Five minutes, guys. I would probably just chill out and wait for this news to come. And Current, good morning. I see you there. Good morning on YouTube. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Caught a nice long there, guys. So here we go. We're picking up a sell signal here on TraderDan Pro. Are you wanting to trade that counter trend pullback? That is going to be up to you, but you do got a signal here with a stop above the high. If you take that short, I'm just letting you know you probably got a chance to get back into these gray boxes. What does that look like for you if you take that short? It's a counter trend trade. You're not trading with the trend, you're trading against it, but you're in here, stops here. Your stop would be $149. I would be looking to get down there at that 340 level if it could do it. Your stop's got to be above the high. Now, that's a counter trend trade. The yellow dotted line down there at 70, that is your market shift. And I'm curious, I built a market shift that gives you signals. I have not really got too far deeply into it. Let's throw this over here for a minute. So this is your fair value concepts, guys, right? There are 4 or 5 really good signal indicators that you can use that we have built that you can make some money with. This one's a fair value concept. So fair value area, which means fair value price, not a gap. Even though there is a gap between this candle and this candle, this is a fair value price that someone's willing to pay for the market to go long. That's what this is, right? And it's a concept. So I built it out of a concept. There was another one here and another one here, but you see we retest, we went down, we broke, we retest, we went up. We came back, retest this one. We came up, we retest that one, and we got a buy signal on that retest. So this is pretty hot. Guys, got news coming out here in less than 1 minute. But let me change this. I have this up on my other screen, so I don't want to rename this. I just want to get rid of this. All these indicators are part of the VIP for $25 a month. You can't beat it, guys. All right. Let me go down here. TD market. Market shift signals. Let's see what this thing says. I shouldn't have to change anything. Oh, right here, 25 I do. Let's see what this thing does. It's going to spit out signals. Oh, look at that buy right there, guys. Woof! And you got to sell right here. What is this? This is the C phase of the market. So it is going to signal you every time it gets into a C phase and tell you what to do. You got to determine whether you're in an ABC swing down or an ABC swing up. And then you either want to buy it or you want to sell it, or you don't want to do anything at all and sit on your hands. All right, guys, got that news coming out. Let me get that over here. Got this news coming out, looking at for 7.44 million on Jolt's job opening. Let's see what we get here. .3% on factory orders, so it's lower than expected at 0.2.
Dan, I've just got in front of my computer. Is there any news expected?
Yeah, we're expecting news right now.
Okay, thanks.
Market shift just shifted up. 7.36 on 7.44. Comes in a little bit lower than expected. That might drive the market up a little bit higher, especially on the ES. I do not like that short, but it may pull back a little bit more. If not, we can see this market roll over and push down. Awesome, guys. Are we going to pop the dot here? ES still running, guys. ES is still running. Yes is going to go make an all-time high today. We had 713 sellers in here. I think that's what they need in order to push the price higher. Let's see. Do they hold this as an ABC swing here and come down a little lower, or do they pop through? Are they going to build out a little flag here and get through that 500 level that we had talked about earlier? Guys, if you're trying to take the long here where we're at, that is FOMO. That's fear of missing out. Do not be that person. These are people wanting to buy this high and hope, H-O-P-E, hope, that it's going to go up. You got a long setting up. We're at value area high, 2501.25. If you take this long, it could go back into an ABC inside swing, or we could get risen here. We could just blow up and go. I still think we're going to push through here and get into this 20-25 level. These two levels, where am I coming up with that? Look, okay. So this one got us to here. This one right here gets us to here overall. He drew a box, guys. It's going to go there. Not necessarily. He drew a box. We're going to get the swing and the pop. If you take this trade, you probably get about 10, 15 points, 20 points. We have a green dot here being printed. We have this resistance here right at the top. Got a buy signal here. Maybe one more ride here. You got one contract long here if you want it. I'm going to take it. One contract.
Order submitted.
See if I can break. Oh, there it is. I didn't even get to move it. I didn't even get to move it.
Order filled.
Yeah. It was scary. But I was going to try and move the take profit up to this box, and I didn't get it. But I said I wanted that 10 points. I got that 10 points, so... You just had 380 contracts, 380. Now we're back down to 350. Come in on that pop. I think we get a little bit more rise out of this 5-minute bar. You got 3 minutes to do it. $520 to $540 was target. ES still pumping it up. Insane, guys. All right, guys on YouTube, I appreciate you coming in and hanging out with us. If you watching the review or watching us live, that's appreciated. If you hit that like and subscribe button, that would always be appreciated. And don't forget to come and trade live. You get everything you want with the VIP access to TraderDan for $25 a month. You get access to every indicator that we have, and there are some damn good ones. With that being said, hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the inside, guys. Have a blessed day.